a new land. A perfect place to stay. A proper place in a proper place. It's such a proper place. Yes, it's a proper place. Yay, they were safe. And congratulations, measles! Yay! Thank you. Everyone, back in the news. Everyone, I discovered something really new. Lots of origami birds that lived all in the electric circle's middle. But then the electric circle got flooded, and then some bad things happened. And we made it. We saved them, and there they are. Lots of origami cranes. Mini cranes, I mean. And lily pads, pelicans, a chick, a peacock, a parrot, some warbler, a dove, many more, including the swan. So that's what I discovered for today. Thank you. So now, yay! We are saying things. Thank you. We're happy day, everyone. Yay! What do you think is going to be next?